Hello to all my dear students. How are you all? Children, I'm Meenakshi Kothiyal, your computer teacher. So now children, I just want to discuss with you one important thing that I'm keep on reminding you that you have to complete your assignments on time and send us on time. Okay? You have to watch the video very carefully so that you can clear your doubts. Okay children? Now, children, it doesn't matter if you are scoring 92% or 95% and still you are not sending the homework, you will not be considered as first, second or third in your class. Okay, so it's better to send your assignments on time. If you are having any doubt, if you are not knowing any answers, then you can send us the mail. We'll reply you back with the answers. Okay children, so now as we are done with our chapter, okay, so in this video I'll be going to discuss the question answers of the chapter. Okay children, so for before starting with the exercises questions, let us take a quick recap of what we have studied in this chapter till now. So children, we have discussed about the computer mouse. Children, what is a computer mouse? Computer mouse is an input device and also called pointing device. It is used to select an object on computer screen. Computer mouse is an input device because we use a mouse to enter the data into a computer system. That is why it is called input device. Why it is called pointing device? Because it is used to select an object on the computer screen. Okay children? Next, we have studied about the types of mouse. How many types of mouse are there? Yes, children, two types. Okay. First one is the cord or wired mouse. Cord means wire. Okay. You can write down cord mouse or wired mouse. Okay. Next is cordless or wireless mouse. Okay, children. Now, what is a cord mouse? In which wire is attached. A mouse is attached with a wire. Okay, and the cordless mouse is in which no wire is attached to the computer mouse. Okay children, next we have studied about the inventor of computer mouse. That who has invented computer mouse? Yes, Douglas Engelbart has invented the computer mouse. Okay children, the next topic is mouse pointer. What is a mouse pointer? See children, this is an arrow over here. Okay, this kind of arrow you must have seen in your computer screen also. Whenever you move a mouse, the arrow also moves on the computer screen. That arrow is known as the mouse pointer. Okay, that tells us that where a mouse is going or what kind of object, what item we want to select on the computer screen. With the help of that pointer, we can select any item on the computer screen. Okay children, next topic is mouse actions. We have studied about the 5 mouse actions in this book. What is the first action? First action is the left click. Left clicks means press and release the left mouse button once. Okay, when you click on the left button, it will select any object on the screen. Next action is the right click. Right click means press or release the right button of a computer mouse. When you click on the right button, when you press the right button, it shows you a list of commands to do the specific task. Okay, next is double click. Double click means press and release the left mouse button twice at a time very quickly. Okay, you have to press the left button 2 times very quickly. That is called double click. We perform this action to open a file or any folder. Okay. Next is scroll. Okay. You must have seen that a scroll wheel is located between the left button and the right button. So we use the scroll action to move the pages up and down on the computer screen. Okay children. Next is drag and drop. Children, drag and drop means to shift or to move any item or any file on a computer screen from one place to another. Okay, as I've already shown you in my previous video how to perform the drag and drop action. Okay, so these are the 5 actions a mouse can perform. Comes our next topic, that is uses of mouse. So the first use is typing text. with the help of on-screen keyboard, we can type any text on the screen. Okay, by clicking on the mouse button, we can select the alphabet keys, we can select the number keys, and we can do typing on computer screen. Okay, next is, with the help of a mouse, we can play games on computer. Okay, you can play any game, you can pause it, you can stop it. Okay, you can record it. Okay, so with the help of mouse, we can play games. Next is drawing pictures. See children, there is a software present on your computer screen, that is Paint. Okay, so we do painting with the help of computer mouse. We can draw different shapes and we can color them also. Okay, next is playing audio and videos. Audio means songs and videos means in which sound and images both are coming together. Okay, so we can play, stop, record, pause, forward, next. These kind of actions we can perform with the help of a mouse. So these are the uses of mouse. Okay children, so now we are done with the revision part. Okay, now let us begin with the exercises question. So for this children, you have to open page number 64 of your book. Okay, as you have already done few questions, I have already given you few questions to do in your previous assignments, but still it is a kind of a revision type. Okay, I'm also discussing with you the answers of the questions so that if you have done something wrong, you can correct it also. Okay, so it is a kind of a revision type. Okay, so be ready with your pencil and eraser and take out your book and page number 64. Children, this is your book ICSE Understanding Computer Studies Class 2. Okay, now open page number 64. So now children, here are the exercises questions are given in your book on page number 64. Now question number 1. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Okay, a dash is used to select a file on the monitor. Tell me children, which is the right answer? Single click, double click, drag and drop and all. So children, a single click is used to select a file on the monitor. So you have to write down single click. Okay, these are the mouse actions. Okay, come to question number B. To open the file, we should use dash. Which of them we should use to open a file? Single click, drag and drop or double click? Yes children, we have to double click on any file to open it. Okay, so write down double click. Okay, now here comes the C question. A dash shows a list of commands to choose from. Which of them is used to show a list of commands on the computer screen? Right click, double click or single click? Yes children, a right click. When you right click on right button, it shows you a list of commands that will get displayed on your screen so that you can perform that particular task. Now come to the D part. A dash is used to move an object from one place to another on the screen. Single click, double click or drag and drop? See children, single click is used to open the file, is used to select the file, sorry. Okay. See children, single click is used to select the file. Okay. Double click is used to open the file. So drag and drop is used to move that file and folder from one place to another place, as I have shown you in the practical. Okay. So you have to write down drag and D-R-O-P, drop. Okay. Now E part. When you press a mouse button, you hear a dash sound. Hiss, click, tick, tick. Yes children, we hear a click sound when we press a mouse button. Okay, done? Now come to question number 2. Mark tick for the correct statement and wrong for the incorrect one. Okay, now let us understand. A. Double click is performed to select an object. Right now we have studied that in the previous question we have studied that double click is used to open a file, open an object. So it is Wrong. Okay, double click is not used. Which one is used? Single click. Okay, now come to the B part. A mouse pointer moves when we move the mouse. Yes, children, whenever we move the mouse, a mouse pointer, that arrow, moves on the computer screen also. So put a tick sign on it. C part. Holding a mouse is not important. If you will not hold a mouse properly, you will not perform any function on a computer. So this is wrong. Okay. Holding a mouse is important, is very important. Okay. Now come to page number 65. Here comes the D part. A mouse is kept on the mouse pad. Yes, children, we have to keep the mouse on a mouse pad. Okay, so that it can move easily. E part. Dragging is not the function of a mouse. As we have studied that mouse actions, no, mouse actions are also called functions. So drag and drop is one of the function of a mouse. Here it is written not, so it means it is a wrong statement. Okay, not will not come here. Dragging is the function of a mouse. Okay. Now come to the third question. Name the different types of mouse clicking. See, children, here two arrows are given over here. It means it is scrolling the scroll wheel. So which function is this? Yes, it is the scroll. Which action is performing here? Scroll. Okay, it means it scrolls the mouse. The scroll wheel. It is scrolling the scroll wheel on the mouse. Okay. Now next, here a middle finger is placed on the right button. So what it is? It is a right click. It is a right click. Okay. Now here 2 times we are pressing the left button. So it is double click. Okay, 2 arrows means 2 times. Okay, now here our index finger is kept on the left button. It is a left click. So these are the different types of mouse clicking. Okay, now children, come to question number 4. Label the finger positioned on the mouse buttons. Now children, many of the students are confused in writing down the answer of this question, as they have written this is a left button and this is right button. Here it is written label the finger positioned. Now children, it is up to you. If you are a left-handed person, means if you hold the mouse like this with the help of your left hand, then you have to keep your middle finger on the left button and index finger on the right button. If you are a left-handed person, then here what it will come? It will come middle finger, and here what will come? Index finger. Okay, now children, if you are a right-handed person, okay, if you are a right-handed person, then you will place your index finger on the left button and middle finger on the right button. Okay, so these both answers are correct. If you are a left-handed person, then you can place your middle finger on the left button and index finger on the right button. But if you are a right-handed person, it means if you are holding a mouse with your right hand, then you will place your index finger on the left button and right finger on the middle finger on the right button. Okay, children, so these both answers are correct. For this, you have to mention if left-handed person or a right-handed person. Okay, children. Now, children, here comes the question number 5. Write short notes on. First one is mouse. A mouse is an input device and also called pointing device. It is used to select or point object on the screen. Okay, this answer you have to write down in your book. Now B part, dragging. Pressing the left mouse button for so long to move an item on the screen is called dragging. See children, as I've already told you that a dragging means if you want to shift any item from its place to another place is called dragging. For this you have to press the left mouse button for so long to move that item. Okay. Now dropping. Dragging the mouse to the new place where we want to leave the item and release the button is known as dropping. Now we have dragged the mouse, we have pressed the left mouse button for so long to move that item and the place where we want to place it. So for this we have to drag the mouse and leave that item on that place is called dropping. Okay. Now children, turn on to page number 66. Two types of mouse. What you will write down? Cord or wired mouse. Both are correct. If you want to write down cord or if you want to write down wired, both are correct. Okay. And the next is cordless, means wireless mouse. Okay. Now next is 4 uses of mouse. What are the 4 uses? Typing, text, drawing, pictures, okay, playing, audio and videos, playing games. Okay children, so we are done with the exercises question. Children, so this is enough for today. I just hope that you all have understood the question answers. Okay, those who have done the wrong answers, they can correct it from here also. Okay, now children, as I've already told you that you have to complete your assignments on time and you have to send the assignments on time. Okay, just make sure that your assignments have sent. Okay, for this you have to check your mail, that if there is any mail is still pending or it is in outbox, you have to send it again. Okay children, now the teachers are keep on responding you, they are keep on replying you. Okay, so be attentive while watching the videos and while doing the question answers. Okay, and children, make sure to mention your name, assignment number. Okay, and your handwriting should be very neat and clean. Okay children, so this is now for today and I'll take your leave. I'll be meeting soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home. And children, happy Diwali to you all. Stay safe at home. Okay?